So I'm going to take you through a quick overview of the Coinbase investing app. So you're going to see it right over here in real time, so you guys can actually follow along. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and click on prices. And this is where you can see the prices for a lot of different cryptos. If we go ahead and click on Bitcoin, you can see it in real time here. You could see it says trade right over here. And then you can of course be buying, selling, or converting. In this occasion, we're going to go ahead and do some buying. And right over here, I already have my account set up. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and do a $10 deposit into some more Bitcoin here. So we put in $10. I'm going to put in that little dot there. And then we're going to go ahead and do preview buy. And what this is going to do is just kind of tell us what the Bitcoin price is, our payment method. So mine is from SoFi, the purchase price, the Coinbase fee. Of course, there's those fees there on there. And then the total dollar amount. And right here, it says trade your Bitcoin instantly when you, while we wait for your funds, you can send your Bitcoin in 3 days. So just kind of something to keep in mind. All you got to do is click on the buy now, and then it's going to start going through that process and buying into our Bitcoin. So once it's gone through, it says your order was submitted. We will send you an email when your order status is updated. I'll have a link in the show notes down below for you. Get you that nice little bonus once you make your first deposit and buying into your first crypto. Now, if you want to actually see a step-by-step process of actually going through and opening up your account, check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.